Hello all. Every year we will be coming up with anthropology test series after prelims examination. This year also, October 17th, we are going to launch our strategic test series for anthropology, which will be useful for 2021 mains goers as well as for the 2022 aspirants. The schedule consists of 14 tests, of which 10 are the sectional tests and 4 are the comprehensive tests. The total 14 tests schedule is provided in our description. We are going to take care of each and every test, in which we are going to have for every test 2 classes. One class before the test, one class after the test. For that before test, pre-test, how to prepare for that test, I will be giving the insights, and after the test, the discussion of the question paper will be taking place. In that way, you will be having 2 classes for every test, and it will be a live discussion as well as recorded videos will be provided for the test series for 6 months validity. And this test series is going to be a one-stop solution material. One-stop solution, as well as we are also going to provide you one-stop solution material. My classroom material will be provided to you with the textbooks. 2 hard copy textbooks will be provided to you. It will be posted to you. And with that, free anthropology value added materials, with that 300 case studies will be provided for the sake of enrichment of your answer. And guidance how to write the best answer, we will be giving, mainly I will be taking the responsibility, and I will be giving you the personal guidance how to write the best answers. And how to write an answer in anthropological perspective also will be discussed for each and every question in the tests which are conducted. And I am promising that evaluation will be done maximum 5 days, minimum 3 days, compulsory. So I will try to complete the evaluation within the 3 days, maximum 5 days. By 5 days, the evaluation will be completed. And model answer for every test will be given. Model answer for every test and value added content for every test will be given from our side. Personal academic care means any doubt, anything, any problem, you can directly call me. Special care, we will take our students very seriously. Mainly, if any person cleared prelims and going for mains, means we will take 100% special care on them. And free GS value added content will be provided. My number will be provided to all my students. Anytime, any doubt, you are privileged to call me. And join this anthropology strategic test series, which we are going to start from October 17th, 2021. All the best. Jai Hind.